What's up, my crypto legends? Is the Bitcoin price going to break all-time high today? I don't think so. We are hitting major resistance from these lower highs. I do not think that we are going to break the $53,000 from September anytime soon. I think we need a few days of a cool off, in my opinion. We're going to analyze here the 4-hourly chart because, you know, if you're an old subscriber, I'm expecting this to be the first wave of 5 waves to come, right? And now it looks like that the first wave is getting a little overextended. I don't think that we are going to break the $53,000, and I'll explain why. In this episode, I am looking for a major correction in the coming hours and days, and then potentially we're going to have that leg up. So we're going to analyze the BTC price. Make sure to smash up the like button. Let's go straight into the video. Hello there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe daily TA on Bitcoin, crypto, and I also do live streams to connect with the community. I'm not a financial advisor. Don't pass on anything that I say. If you do so, do your own research. Let's dive in, guys. I'll be doing a live stream today, so make sure to subscribe. Now, you do know that we are hitting a major resistance zone here from these lower highs. We just currently hitting that resistance here on the weekly. We slightly got above it. Now we're going below. Are we going to break it here in the next coming hours or days? Well, I think that we are going to break it, but it's not going to be anytime soon. But if we take a look here at this chart, you know that I believe so that we are in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves, and we are starting the first wave here on the Elliott wave theory. We did see it right over here. Now, what we do not know if this first wave has finished here just below $52,000. Because the first wave can overextend, you know, as far as whatever. We could break here the 5th wave from September. We could go even to $54,000 and then maybe see that correction into that second wave. We do not know how far the first wave can go, but what we can potentially know is where the second wave can go. So if this were to be, okay, the first wave end at just below $52,000, if we take the Fibonacci retracement from the low part here of the start of the pump, if we were to finish, okay, this first wave around this area, and we are going to know very soon, because if we start correcting here in the next coming hours and days, then we could look at for some potential entries for too long, okay, because I believe so that this is the first wave. We are going to enter the second wave, and on this second wave, wherever we finish is where we are going to see that turning point and continue to the upside. Now, note that I do not know if this is going to be the end of the wave. I will know as soon as we start dumping, okay, and going sideways and to the downside. Then it's going to confirm that this is the second wave. Now, this wave could still have a small correction, come to the 0.23 Fibonacci and continue to the upside. And this means that we'll still be in this massive impulse, okay, looking at the daily chart or even the weekly chart. But if we start correcting from now in the next coming hours and we do close several 4-hourly candles, then this is going to confirm me that we are entering the second wave. And this is where you want to get extremely bullish, in my opinion, okay? We will see the 38%, 50, even 62% Fibonacci retracements getting hit. And this is where you want to become extremely bullish if you see the price of BTC going sideways. This is going to be a perfect re-entry point before we continue to the upside, in my opinion, okay? So this is what I'm looking for in the next coming hours and days. Now, it is a possibility that we might, slice through the September high here of $53,000. It is very possible in the next coming hours. But when I see this kind of price action, okay, it looks like that the bulls are getting a little bit overextended, not too much volume over here. It is likelier that we at some point that we are going to have that rollover, and those corrections are pretty aggressive, okay, guys? So make sure to stay very cautious here for these long positions. We will be getting a very good entry point at some point, even though we break here the $53,000. There will be a moment where we can have a very good entry. Remember, if you're an experienced trader and you want to trade this volatile market, Bybit is my favorite swing trading platform. You can get up to $600 worth of bonus by using my link. And also PrimeXBT, my favorite day trading platform. You get 50% added to your deposit by using my link in the description, Bitcoinsensus50 as a promotion code. Now let's take a look at the Bitcoin price here on the 4-hourly chart on this chart over here, because I want to show you also that the $52,000 area has been a major resistance in the past and also support level. As you can see, we did have a small fake out right over here, came straight back up, and as soon as we broke it, it was heavy resistance. This was mentioned on yesterday's video. Here we had resistance and then we didn't manage to break above here. So is this going to be the moment where we actually slice through the $54,000 successfully? Well, after seeing this massive pump, in my opinion, we need to go sideways a little bit. We need to go see a little bit of correction, get some steam here, get some power, and then potentially break it, okay, guys, after this massive extension that we've had in the last few days. Now, if we zoom in on the 1-hourly chart and zoom in, you can clearly see yesterday we were kind of forming like an ascending broadening wedge, okay, which is slightly bearish, but if you're coming from an uptrend, you know, it's very, very likely to break up. We did break above this major resistance, but guys, there is hardly any volume. The only volume that we saw was from the pump, okay, that happened on the 1st of October, had an excellent run up, sideways action, and then you're just pumping with the momentum. We're having no volume at all. So this is why it is an area to be very, very cautious. Okay, we do have major resistance zone, and are we going to get above here the high from $53,000 from September? It is very, very unlikely with this extension. Okay, guys, I think it's more likely to see some type of correction and then picking up from here, in my opinion. Okay, this is what I got for this quick update, guys. Make sure to subscribe to the channel because I'll be going live afterwards. Make sure to come live because it is going to be pretty exciting. We also see a major support area, and this is where the $47,000 range is, as you can see, and this is round about the 38% level from the Fibonacci retracement. So I think that is going to be starting to be a very, very good buy zone if we do see that major correction of BTC in the next coming hours or days. Guys, this is going to be it for today's episode. Make sure to subscribe to our Instagram. Make sure to follow us on our Instagram page, okay? We do post daily content over here, so make sure to follow us on Instagram. We're trying to get to 10,000 followers by the end of the month. Let's see if we can achieve that goal, guys. And make sure to check out the Bitcoinsensus website. We've got the latest news and technical analysis here. If you want to learn how to trade on Bybit and PrimeXBT, the videos on the screen, guys. Thank you, and I'll see you later.